On Wednesday, the Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam lodged a complaint with the Election Commission of India against the BJP leader and Union Minister Shobha Karandlaje. The complaint was regarding her alleged hate speech, where she blamed the people of Tamil Nadu for a blast at Bengaluru's Rameshwaraman cafe on March 1st.
तमिलनाडु से आते हैं, उधर ट्रेनिंग लेता है, बॉम्ब लगाता है, कैफे में बॉम्ब लगाया.
DMK accused the BJP leader of attempting to promote hatred between Tamil Nadu and Karnataka as national elections approach. The BJP leader had earlier allegedly said that people from Tamil Nadu come to Bangalore, get trained there and plant bombs here, placed bombs in the cafe. DMK argued that her statement unfairly shows Tamil Nadu residents as extremists and aims to sow hatred between Tamilians and Kannadigas. They contended that such allegations could potentially incite violence against the Tamil community. DMK asserted that the BJP leader's comments violated the Model Code of Conduct and requested the Election Commission to take appropriate action under the Representation of the People Act 1951. Like, comment and subscribe to Daily Salar Digital for more such updates.